Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you are all well. I am fine too, mashallah. Today I tell you some tips for BIP app, how to create BIP app channel. Okay, now I start. Let's go. First time we are open BIP app. Now we are go to message option. Now we are tap on new channel. After type channel name. Now I give the channel name Tips and Tricks. Now I select a profile photo. Okay, tap on camera option and choice photo and photos. Now select a good photo for your profile. When you select photo, then you tap on OK. Channel type. What type you like for your channel? Private channel or public channel? You like one. I select public channel. You can choose anyone. Now reply, you type your name, but you cannot give capital letter. You must give small letter and you cannot hear any space. All letter is together. It's your channel link. Now here you type anything for your channel. Here writing, you can write a description of your channel. You can choose anything for your channel about. And now you tap on continue. Now you select few friends for your channel member. If you select your friend, now you tap here. When you tap on here, you can see your channel creating. Now already your channel create. Now here have so many people. Now you can send message, photo, video and some link and voice. And here you can send anything very early, view your message and so many view. Okay friend, until today's video, subscribe to my channel for the next video. Thank you for watching my video.